Good morning, kids. Welcome to your ORC class. Dear kids, open book page number 40. Book page number 40. Students, today we will read last paragraph. Will you stay and play? Will you stay and play? Oh, do say you will. Do say you will. Stay here with me. Play here with me. Will you stay and play? Will you stay and play? Oh, do you say you will? Stay here with me. Play here with me. Students, let's revise yesterday's lesson. I say, what me here with. I say, what a good day. I can sing, I can play. I can sing, I can play. I can do what I may. It's a whole holiday. Now read today's lesson. Will you stay and play? Will you stay and play? Oh, do say you will? Oh, do say you will? Stay here with me. Stay here with me. Play here with me. Say today. Say today. Say today. Day may way away. Day may way away. Now kids, it's your turn to read book page number 40. Allah Hafiz.